Good night. Tax 3 Planning the Tribe. My name is Melia Selene Himbel Rivera. Number group 623. Tutor Emma Rocío Vitamacar, Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia. Una. My travel itinerary is the Popayan White City. Introduction of the place. The beautiful white city of Popayan in the capital city of the department of Cauca, in the southeast of Colombia. It is climate varies wet between in 14 and 25 degrees. It is historic city that has many places to visit, and its surrounding contain many wonder, white a colonial essence. Duration of the trip. To visit Popayan, you must allocate 4 days and 3 nights to be able and to enjoy the place that is beautiful city offer. In the center of city, you will find dirty and two blocks the colonial building, with the museum are located the Park Caldas, the Club Tower, the Club Tower, the Cathedral, and many more beautiful places. Visit the Morro Tulcan to see the city department in the museum night. Visit the Puracé National Natural Park. Visit the Coconuco Hot Spring. Means of transportation. To get to Popayan, you can use air transport, but the most common are the intermunicipal bus, autobus. They are comfortable, economical, and safe. Activities to do. When you arrive in the city, the first trick is to find a hostel. The best hostel are the San Martin Hostel and the Dan Monasterio. We also have cheaper options that find a type of blockade, and in the center of the city, you must visit the Caldas Park. And at near 2 o'clock tower if you have the future to arrive on Friday you can attend the night of museum. On the second day you must visit the different museum natural history, museum arquidiocesano, museum Guillermo León Valencia, museum Casa Museo León Valencia, el museo de los the museum process. Yeah. On the third day, you can make the ascent to welcome Puracé, visit the dog spring, enjoy the night while visit of the height of Tulcan to look at the star and illumination city. On the fourth day, visit the tour office to hold the free tour, visit the Humilero Bridge, Caldas House, the Rincón Payanés, the Patojo Town, and know the history of its place, and finally goodbye. Goodbye. Place to stay. Place to stay Popayan in Hostel Dan Monasterio, Hostel San Martin. Typical food. Typical food Popayan gastronomic. Empanadas de pipián, Aplanchados de Doña Chepa, shampoos, salpicón bayanés y carantanta. Cost. The all-inclusive travel par for 4 days and 3 nights has a value of 1 million. Thank you, Popayan, await you.